Hey everybody, so this is my second attempt at a crochet purse, and this time I'm using macrame cord, which is much more stiff than the last nylon cord I was using. And honestly, even just this very first piece that I was putting together, I started with the sides, and yeah, look at how much more sturdy they are. They won't need any structure and help like the last video, which I'll link above. And honestly, this was such a nice process. Also, as learnings from last time, I'm crocheting these hardware pieces directly into the crochet stitch. I'm not going to tie them in afterwards. This was much more sturdy, and I keep saying sturdy, than before. And even crocheting up the sides, the knots were so tight that they created even more of a structure for the purse to, stand up. And here, I believe I'm starting to crochet the handle on top of the two pieces of hardware I put on the top piece. And you can crochet them as long as you want. I only like a little clutch kind of handhold purse. Plus I was under the wire. I wanted to finish this project before I left Arizona. And I didn't actually get to use this one out and about, but I think I'm going to bring it on vacation with me. And right now, this is how I did the front piece. I just crocheted it directly to the top piece and used only the under loops of the stitch previously to create that corner. And it came out really great. And I tested how long it needed to be so that the hardware with the little clasp was hitting at just the right spot, so it's easy to clasp. And like I just showed, the structure here is incredible. Really, the macrame cord really was a better solution, a better material to do this project with. And also, I'm not really sure why I filmed this part, but tuck in your ends, okay? And look at how cute. Oh, and it clasps. I don't know why my nails were getting in the way there, but... And now I'm just gonna, I'm gonna wash it so the knots tighten even more. And yeah, if you like this project, I'll always have more, and the pattern's going to be up on my website, so please check it out. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. Subscribe, like, give me a comment. The comments I like even better than subscribing, honestly. Let me know what you think. And if I could crochet something else, give me ideas. Thanks for watching. Bye.